sketch the graph of the piecewise defined function f of x equals, the first piece is negative x plus 1 for x less than or equal to 1, and the second piece is x squared for x greater than 1. Each of the pieces has its own domain. The first thing we want to do is to examine the domain and the piece for each formula. There are two pieces, and these two pieces are separated by the number x equals 1. For any value that is less than or equal to 1, which is on the left hand side of 1 up to 1, we're going to sketch negative x plus 1. For any x value that is strictly greater than 1, we're going to sketch the graph of x squared. We start with the Cartesian coordinate system, or the rectangular coordinate system. For all of the x that is on the left hand side of 1, the graph of negative x plus 1 showed up. And the easiest way to do this is to first grab negative x plus 1, which is a linear function. The y-intercept is 1 and the slope is negative 1. So we go down 1 and go over 1. And so the line that we want to draw is a straight line that goes through y equals 1, and we want to stop when the line hit x equals 1. Also, x equals 1 is included in the domain of the first piece, so we would use the closed circle. Alternatively, we can just simply grab negative x plus 1 all the way and take out what we don't want. And again, what we want is the part that is on the left hand side of 1 only. Similarly, we're going to grab x squared. This time, I'm going to grab the entire graph of x squared. When x equals 0, 0 squared is 0. When x is 1, 1 squared is 1. And when x equals 2, 2 squared is 4. And when x equals negative 1, the quantity squared is positive 1, and so on. We would end up with something that looks like this. Now, this is not good because the graph of x squared should live only on the right-hand side of x equals 1. We're going to take out the part that we do not want to be included in the picture. That is, we're going to take out the part of x squared that is on the left-hand side of 1. You can just simply take an eraser and delete the part that is on the left-hand side of x equals 1. And also, x equals 1 is not included in the domain of x squared, so we're going to use an open circle at x equals 1 for the x squared piece. This is the graph of the piecewise function given.